Good morning. Saying good morning has this refreshing feel to it. It feels like a warm shower after rolling in mud. You can practically feel the weight of the previous day wash off your back. So, let's move forward with this beautiful morning. Once again, welcome English Bal Bharti class 4. Now today we will reach till unit 3. Today we are going to learn a new poem from unit 3, poem number 18, Growing Up. So, growing up in the poem, the poet beautifully expressed both living things. We have Mr. Thomas Frog and the butterfly. Poet tell us about living creature beautifully in this poem. Let's see. First one we have read the poem. Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog, written by poet C.J. Dennis. Now, here in this poem, Little Tommy Tadpole. Now, what is the tadpole? It's a larvae of frog. That means it is a stage of life cycle of frog. Now, here when it is a tadpole has a tail like the frog. The tadpole is the weeping and wailing. He began to cry, kept on crying for a long time. For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Why was the Tommy Tadpole crying? Because he lost his tail. Now Tommy Tadpole crying by weeping and wailing because he lost his tail. Tommy's mother didn't know him because she was him sitting on a log weeping and wailing. She did not recognize him. Why? He wasn't Tommy Tadpole, but he has a Mr. Thomas Frog. Now Tadpole had completely grown and Tadpole became changed into the Thomas Frog. So therefore his mother also did not remember him. So the tadpole is the first stage of the frog. Tadpole have little tail. So when he lost his tail, he was crying by weeping and wailing and lost his tail. His mother also didn't remember him because when he is tadpole, his mother know that him very well. But when the tadpole is grown up, he is became as a Thomas Frog. That's why his mother could not recognize him. Okay. Now next one. See, first one he is as a tadpole, then became as a Thomas Frog. See the next one. The butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a careless and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Now, here the butterfly, the poet expresses his opinion about the butterfly, how the butterfly is grown up. Now, here in this poem, fuzzy little caterpillar. The meaning of fuzzy is covered with a soft fine hair that stick up. Now the little caterpillar covered with the hair. What is the caterpillar? Caterpillar of the stage for little life cycle of the butterfly. A pupa is the stage of first in a butterfly. It like as a worm. You all know that very well. What is the worm? Worm is like as an insect creature. Yes. So the pupa stage of butterfly like as a worm curl himself and the in the stage of pupa it into a round shape upon a leaf. The pupa, it means the worm, curl upon himself into the leaf. Now she made herself careless. It is a stage in the life cycle of butterfly. Now in the pupa stage, butterfly maximum grown up. It means all growth done into the careless stage. So the changes and the growth take place into this stage. Which stage? The careless stage. It means in the pupa stage all the butterfly grown into the this stage, all the changes and all the growth turn into this pupa stage. It means careless. When she was in a careless stage, she is sleeping. That means after she woke up from her sleep, she felt that now she can fly and she became as a butterfly. It means all the growth will be complete into the careless pupa stage. After that the butterfly going to sleep as a long time. After that when she dream it she can fly. So later when she woke up she became as a butterfly. As asleep she felt that now she can fly. She became as a butterfly. It means from the pupa stage she turned into as a butterfly. It means the grown up stage of the butterfly. First one pupa, then larva, then butterfly. There are so many stages we have to grow into the butterfly stage. So the pupa turn into as a butterfly and it's into a beautiful turn into a beautiful butterfly. Also tell the life cycle of the butterfly. See in this poem first one we learn about the Thomas Frog. Thomas Frog tell us the life cycle about the frog, and second one that is the butterfly, the life cycle of the butterfly, how the butterfly grown up. So there is the beautiful expression done by the poet. Okay, I hope do you understood both grown up stages. Like as a human child, first one human have a little one baby, then slowly he turn into a boy or girl, then in a younger, then adult, and then old. That is the stage of human child. So like as a other animals, insect have same particular life cycle stages. Okay, so you have to read the poem, learn the poem properly, and try to understood the meaning. See the beautiful butterfly. Thank you.